All right, this is our snowy backyard. Probably most an inch and a half of snow. This is what it looked like just before I let the puppies out. And so here they go. Dallas, who usually dashes out into the yard, he took it a little slow once he hit those snowy steps. Oh, we've got their jackets on them this morning because it's 20 degrees, but with a wind chill down in the single digits, we thought it would be best. But it does kind of look nice. The evergreens over there by the fence look very nice in their snowy dress.